The current task is to secure the metal base plate that will hold the battery mounting plank to the bicycle frame. The first step in securing the base plate to the frame tube is to make clamps from the long threaded stud. These clamps should look something like this. For this, the stud first has to be cut into sections of the needed length. The needed length is determined by a simple but effective way like this. All right, got one future clamp cut to the needed length. Now comes the main part, which is to bend it into a U-clamp. Looks like it's not going to be an easy task. All right, here is what we've got. It needs some corrections, but it will do for now. Finally, with a bit of hand grease and pliers work, we have these two beautiful U-clamps, and use them to secure the base plate to the bicycle frame. Now, with the base plate secured to the bicycle frame, the next thing is to fix the battery mounting plank to it. But this is a subject for the next clip. Stay tuned.